Good morning everybody and welcome to day 4 of Boost and John's Vlogmas. Today we are starting off the day. The basement is an absolute mess, but we are packaging and processing and shipping your merch orders. So again, thank you to everyone who participated in the fall/winter merch drop. These are the ones that I'll be hand delivering to people that are local. This is only the second time I've ever done this. Thank you to Kearney for helping. And this is always a fun learning process for me, so here we go. We messed up on our first try. Also, unfortunately, I did mess up, and I gotta take full blame for it. I messed up 2 orders. I'm short 2 items. I think it's my fault. I'm gonna look into it more and see if maybe it's the printing company's fault, but I think it's probably my fault, and I apologize for that. Those of you whose orders are messed up, I will be reaching out to you, and I will also be ordering the correct items today. It might take an extra week or so to get to you, and I, again, apologize for that. All of the merch is loaded up.
Hi.
Hi. All done. All merch is shipped except for the 2 that I messed up. Like I said, I reached out to the 2 of you whose orders I messed up. Again, I apologize.
Thank you, Santa.
This is my mom.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Hey, boys. Boys.
Boys. Bye, Mom.
Hi, John.
I'm really getting hit hard right now with that like 4 o'clock feeling. You know, you're just like so drowsy and so tired. So I gotta make a little midday Starbucks run. And then we are going to talk about the Civic. All right, can I please do a grande peppermint mocha?
I'm sorry, we're actually out of peppermint right now.
Oh, grande caramel brulee. Thank you. Definitely asked for a grande, not a venti. We are finally home, and I'm finally ready to talk to you guys about something that I haven't talked to you guys about in a very long time, and that is the Turbo Civic. It's still alive, kinda, and it has just been basically sitting on the patio here. Now obviously I owe a lot of what my channel is today to this car, and at the same time I put so much time, effort, and money into it over the summer that I'm just kind of over this car right now. Like, it's not that I am never gonna work on it again, it's not that it's gonna be off of the channel by any means whatsoever. I just need a little bit of a break from it, because when you have a newer car like an S2000 or whatever, when you have a newer project car, the little things aren't supposed to go wrong as much as when you have a fully built motor, eBay turbo setup, braided fuel line, brake line, all this stuff. It's just so many variables in this car, and there are way less variables in this car. Now with that said, the Civic is not in a really good running condition right now, and that's because it's having clutch issues. Yes, I just put on that stage 4 clutch. This clutch has probably less than 500 miles on it, something like that, and it's already shot. I'm feeling clutch misalignment, which is, I'm feeling like a vibration in the foot pedal, which is super sketchy, especially with an eBay clutch. This thing is not really gonna be seeing the road until that issue is fixed. In order for me to fix that issue, I have to drop the trans and replace the clutch. Also, there was a knock the other day. I don't know if it was engine related or if it was the clutch misalignment. I'm not sure, but it's not something that I want to play around with until I replace the clutch. And lastly, I have to re-torque the head studs. It's leaking quite a bit of oil from the cylinder head, like where the head meets the top of the block, which is common for LS VTEC setups, but mine's leaking a little bit more than it should, so I'm gonna have to re-torque the head studs. I also have a set of GSR cams for it, and I just kind of want to make this car better. It kind of sucks right now. Like, it sucks to drive. It's so uncomfortable. It makes so many noises. So I'm just gonna leave this car for a little bit. When the time is right, we will come back to it and we will make this thing great again. I'll go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys. Nothing has changed. The only thing that's really changed about this car is I threw the interior in the pack. It's not like mounted or anything. It's just there for storage. Exactly how it was. Exactly how it was. So trust me, the Civic is something that I am seriously thinking about, and I'm trying to make a plan for it every single day and what I'm gonna do. Same thing with the S2000, but I'm just not quite sure yet, so I'm not gonna do anything with it yet. So to answer some of your questions, car is still here. I still have it. It's not sold. It's kinda running. I don't really know. And it will be on the channel again sometime soon. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say about this car. That's all I got on that one. Let's go inside. It's freezing out here. All right, now this might seem ridiculous because I have another keyboard right here, but this keyboard just broke today, and I've had this keyboard for like 2 years. Ugh. It just really helps my workflow to have this extra keyboard right here. Just in terms of like ergonomics, it's just way better. It feels way better to edit on that and stuff. We're going to Best Buy. We're gonna get a new keyboard right now. I've never had a nice keyboard in my life, so I think I might splurge a little bit and get a nice keyboard so that way it lasts a long time. This was like a really budget one I found on Amazon for like 60 bucks. Hello.
Hello. Bye-bye, car.
I decided to go with this one right here. This is a Logitech G815. I've never heard of this keyboard before, but it is on display right here. And I know what I like in a keyboard, and this has everything I like in a keyboard. It's a little bit higher than what I wanted to spend today, but I think that if I'm gonna buy a keyboard, I'm gonna have this for many years. And this is like quite literally my job right now, making videos. So I'm gonna use this for multiple hours every single day for probably the next years to come. So I think that it's probably worth it for me to splurge a little bit on this tool that is going to make my life much more efficient and enjoyable while doing it. So let's go ahead and put this Corsair junk away.
That noise is very satisfying.
Yeah, it's very quiet,
let's
but
get it.
super clicky. I did it. I made a big gamer move.
Big boy purchase.
Let's do it. Let's do some editing, boys. Bye, Gurney. Bye, Gurney. Whew. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. What does that do? Oh, dude, they're like soft touch buttons. That is ridiculous. What does that do? Gamer mode? Bruh. You got gamer mode? Dude, this keyboard is already so sick. Look, it's got a little light that shows you when caps lock is on and number lock. These buttons are like soft touch. All these right here. This is a volume adjuster, so I can literally just scroll it and turn the volume up. I got next track, which actually works. Oh, I got backtrack. Oh, dude, that's so rad. I got mute. Well, you guys probably get the point. It is a very sick keyboard. I'm really excited to get used to this thing and really see how efficient I can be with it because this other one was so tiny. Size comparison really quick. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, this is so small. Okay, bye. You were good. Bye-bye. Anyway, that's gonna be sick. This is pretty much where I'm gonna end today's video. Tomorrow, you will be getting a skit. I'm writing a skit tonight. It should be pretty funny. It involves one or two of our other favorite YouTubers, so look forward to that. I'm excited to make it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you have questions about the Civic, don't hesitate to leave them down below. If you have suggestions for the Civic on how I can rekindle the flame for that car, please let me know. Also, if you like this video, please click that thumbs up and remember to click that subscribe button and the bell to stay up to date on all of the Vlogmas videos. Again, every day until Christmas, we are uploading, and that is all that I have. So as I always say, boys, let's plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Bye.